Hello, today is a video on how to access Microsoft Teams through your student email account. You have a lot of free applications available through Office 365. So first you need to log into myuaccb.edu. Once you're on your home screen, you can click your UACCB email. After it loads, you'll go up to this left-hand corner to the app launcher, and you will choose Teams from here. Now, if it's not available right here, you can just click All Apps and be able to search for it. And you can search it here, you can just scroll down, and everything that is available to you will pop up. So I'm just going to click Teams and open it in my browser from here. Once it is in your browser, the best way to have all the options available through the application is to download the desktop app. So you'll click here and you'll see that the little download in the bottom of my left-hand screen here is working. Once it is finished downloading, you can double-click this and then run through the install wizard. It will then be on your desktop startup, it will be on your taskbar, you will be able to access it without going to Google Chrome or any of your other browsers like Firefox. Once that is downloaded and installed, hold on, let me get through here. You will see that it will look like this. I have it pinned to my taskbar with the right click right here. You can unpin it or pin it. I like it pinned so that I can view it. And then you will go to your Teams, and if you are in any of your classes like Test Bio Lab, it would be called something else, but your teacher would have invited you. You can click here. You can access and say hello. You can talk to everybody. You can upload things. You can attach file documents from your OneDrive or from your computer. You can hit @ and you can mention someone, like we're going to use Miss Ratcliffe in this example, but you could, anybody that's in this, that's a student or a teacher, you can access them. In order to video call with your teacher, you can just click Meet Now, and it will bring you to any meeting that your teacher has created, or if you just want to talk to another student, it will be there. I hope this helps. If you have any more questions, please contact your teacher or me at sierra.stewart@uaccb.com. Thank you, and